And Tobago, yes.
You gonna jump?
Yes, thank you.
But I don't like that ratio though.
Bamboos. Yo, these are some huge bamboos. I've never seen bamboos this big.
Big bamboo. Hey, 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 hey.
Welcome home, welcome home. I feel like a flight to JFK. Take a trip across the 7 seas to be with friends and family. Caribbean Airlines is home. Welcome home, welcome home. It's a flight for love. Come on board our plane, fly with the stars up above. Any destination is a celebration. With Caribbean Airlines.
Welcome to Trinidad and Tobago, ladies and gentlemen, the home of Carnival. Where the local time is 1:20 p.m. and this is 1 hour ahead of the time in New York.
So she only got one life, can't stay on the job site. Make a memory for a lifetime that will last. Yeah, come on baby, knock a glass with 2 eyes. She don't catch feelings, she catch flights. So she coming back to the sunshine paradise. Lauren said cold out in New York City.
Love you too. Wait, cheers.
Yes, gentlemen, welcome to Tobago. Just landed at the N.R. Robinson International Airport.
That's a lot of tables. They probably saw that. I think I saw. Man, that other guy was determined not to have mangoes, bro.
I know, right?
The guy that apple with the avocado.
Yep.
We know when to stop.
I'll do it for you non-Android people.
Is this where, probably around here where the oil spill was happening?
That looks nice here. Watch, instead of going in for free rent, she has them charge us. Oh, tight. I wonder where the hell we are in the map. Yeah, nigga, you drunk all of that milk? I wasn't supposed to?
No, we have to.
What's the sign say?
In 300 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
Waterfalls, Argyle.
Yep.
Waterfalls.
Yeah, Sandra. Relax.
These girls are coming near the beach with their bamboos. Coco the Obama. Oh, this is.
No, I missed out on the party.
Yeah, but I don't like that ratio though.
Guyana walking like she's hunting for ghosts.
Watch the step. Everyone.
You guys miss my homie over there. My homie right there. If you know the place. Hey, what's falling over there? Look at the bamboos. Yo, these are some huge bamboos. I've never seen bamboos this big. Holy shit. Damn, look at the bamboos, bro. Yo, bruh.
Is there something?
Take bamboo. Hey, 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 hey.
Yeah, this is why I like you taking you now. What? Looks like they got sugar cane up there.
Yeah, she got some sugar cane. She's living her soft life.
I don't see no man, so how is she living a soft life?
Soft life doesn't mean involving a man. Soft life could be pampering yourself with a massage.
Okay, but then you gotta get back to reality. You do everything on your own. So that's not soft life.
No.
If you're taking care of everything on your own, you will never be fully soft.
When you're taking care of everything on your own because you haven't met anybody compatible with you. That's all. So until that person comes along, you just
Bamboo.
Okay, so y'all gotta make up your mind. Because y'all say, oh, we can't be feminine if we actually have to pay for stuff. But now y'all's telling me.
Nobody's saying you can't be feminine, but it's just that you have to learn how to do stuff on your own. How to put gas in your car. That's regular life. Hey, shut up and let's enjoy the land of nature.
Yeah, it is.
And move forward.
Now, when it's dark, I know y'all like to do that stupid shit where y'all have no sense of direction or time. If it's dark, I'm getting out of here. I'll meet you at the car. 'Cause I know y'all be having those sorts of.
We have to hurry up. We gotta hurry up.
We should have been out here.
Yeah, should have been, people.
I don't know how you went to the whole gate.
In the blood, man.
Yeah, I think it is.
Exactly. Got early blood for us?
I gotta just let the boat sit at home.
Hi, good day.
The first time, eh?
And Tobago, yes.
First time?
Yeah.
Like it?
You ladies look
Yeah.
like you had a wonderful carnival.
Oh yeah.
I see that.
We're going back tomorrow
Going back to, no, where are you going back to?
to Trinidad
To
for
Trinidad,
last
yeah?
jam.
That, yeah.
Yeah.
Where's the last jam?
Up at Tribe.
For tribe.
Beautiful. Mosquito repellent.
Now I see what the artists say. Take bamboo, yo. Get some big bamboo. I hope you got something.
Like 5. Stuck. You have one.
I got one too.
Oh shit. Are we gonna cross the river?
Yeah, we're down here, bro. It's really narrow. You have to hold on. Hold on. Like everybody follows us.
Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Follow me. Follow me.
This is a waterfall.
Oh, that's it? Yay! Yay! We made it.
Let's see, where is on? You can go over here or here. Like 2 areas you can go. We can go over there. I think maybe you go over there.
Over there?
Or you want to go? I think where you want to go? Because this is where.
I guess we can go over there. We think it's the best for a photo shoot.
I think over here is a bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. You guys want to go there first? Yeah. Yeah.
Water says you can step in the water. Okay, let me see. Well, we could see if we're going the other way. There's another way to go. Oh, no. There's another way to go.
Okay, let me jump over there.
You gonna jump?
Yes, thank you. And now,
Step over here.
but it's probably slippery. No, wait.
Kneel down, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, it is slippery. Oh, no. Okay. Okay.
Oh, they go up here.
I don't feel like doing adventure things. So I think I try to start doing it. I don't have to go all the way to the top. Sure, maybe I can go.
And where was the waterfall coming from?
I don't know, somewhere behind the wood.
Somewhere behind. Okay. That was good.
That was good.
Because then we get to get the water, you know?
I went up there in like 2 minutes. Like, didn't you guys see me at one moment and then next time I was up there?
Yeah.
It was easy. I just went right up. What you guys recording, huh? Supernatural activities?
The bamboo.
Yes. The supernatural activities of the bamboo.
Like, yeah, looking for like ghosts that you can only see through cameras.
Oh, Lord.
No, I wish we could see that.
No.
I'd be like, ooh, I come to Trinidad and Tobago.
Yeah, her flash is just flashing. Gang, gang.
That's the creepy leaf.
It's waving back at us. Just wave back. Bye. Yeah, Casper about to catch you. Hurry up.
So sugarcane?
See that nice piece of sugarcane right there?
Mm-hmm.
They sell that.
If that's what the reggae boys were selling back then, I would have bought it. But they were selling the other one. Okay, you going thing? be back in Haiti. Back in Haiti, everybody in the evening, the girls dress up with something nice. They're chilling with their little crushes and shit. Good days in Haiti.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Right?
The sad part is y'all be thinking that.
They be like, nah,
he's up to something.
He's talking to somebody.
Yeah.
It's too good to be true.
Oh, I see him laughing on his phone.
Yeah, he's laughing too much.
Madu getting a good night's sleep. He's like, nah, he's sleeping too peacefully.
Oh, God.
His favorite meal? Hey, do you want some? Oh, no, I'm good. I'm not hungry. You sure? I'll buy you one. No, I'm good. The second he starts eating.
Yeah, man, take off me.
Can I get some?
I know, right? Can I get some? Don't you? Yo, I hate when. I don't lie. I hate when some people do that.
Let's see what the
let's
GPS
see what-
bring us. It's already dark.
Yeah, that's what I hate.
I guess we're gonna get like a good 30 minutes.
Is this a two-way? I feel like this road is fucked up on my side. You know what I mean? Looks like it's messed up.
So it's deep down.
Look where that beach is right by us.
Made it to the beach at night.
Oh, that's where.
Welcome to Trinidad, ladies and gentlemen. We just landed at the International Airport.
I feel like a flight to JFK. Take a trip across the seven seas to be with friends and family. Caribbean.
Welcome to New York, ladies and gentlemen. We have just landed at the Kennedy International Airport. The local time approximately 12 minutes after 4 o'clock.
And family. Caribbean.